Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing the official installer. This ensures compatibility and security. Run the installer as administrator and crucially check Add Python to path so commands work in terminal. Choose Customize Install only if you need specific features. Otherwise, the default is fine and includes pip. Once done, allow the installer to complete and close the wizard. This first step puts Python and pip on your PC, so you can run scripts and install packages without extra configuration. Once Python is installed, verify it by running Python version or Py-3 version. That confirms the interpreter and avoids surprises. Next, create a virtual environment with Python env so you isolate project dependencies. This prevents package conflicts across projects. Activate the environment. On Windows, run myenv /scripts/activate. On Linux /Mac OS source myenv/bin/activate, and then use pip install pack. You finish by executing your code. Run Python script. Py or Py-3 script. Py from the project folder. Use an editor or IDE like VS Code for linting and debugging, which speeds development. Save output and address exceptions by reading tracebacks. They tell you the file, line, and error type. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to confirm the path and active interpreter. Run which Python or Py-3 version. And if Python is not found, use the Py launcher or re-enable Add to Path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.